So we have two more problems that we want to take a look at to finish off this discussion on solving logarithmic equations that involve a base value of e. So taking a look at this, we've got 3 times e to the 2x minus 4 equals 66. We want to be able to solve that. So we're going to work our way through the process. Naturally, the first thing we would do is divide both sides by 3. So we're going to do that. We're going to divide both sides by 3. And when we do that, we end up with e to the 2x minus 4 equals, I believe 66 divided by 3 is a 22. So at this point, e is all by itself raised to that exponent, a larger exponent. It's got multiple terms, and it equals 22. So there's no more simplification that I can do before I now convert this from exponential to logarithmic form. So I know I start with the exponent, that 2x minus 4 is equal to log base, well, in this case it's log base e of 22. So this becomes then 2x minus 4 equals the natural log of 22 because log base e is the natural log. So I'm going to do the natural log of 22 in my calculator really quick, and I'm getting that 2x minus 4 is equal to approximately 3.09. To finish this off, I'm going to add 4 to both sides to get 2x equals 7.09. And then lastly, divide by 2. And that gives me that x is equal to 3.55. And there it is. So in this case, in solving for x, we end up with a 3.55. Last equation here, a couple things we want to keep straight with. Let's take a look at what's going on here. First thing I'm going to do here is subtract 7 from both sides to get negative 2e to the x plus 3 is equal to, let's see, 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Okay, now even though there's a negative between the 7 and the 2, the 7 is positive, so I undo it with a negative. Keep that in mind. Now I still have a negative 2 times e to the x plus 3, so to get rid of that multiplication, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2 to get e to the x plus 3 is equal to, negative over negative is a positive, and 5 over 2 is 2.5. So at this point, just like in the previous problem, we now convert to exponential or logarithmic form from, we're in exponential form. And that produces x plus 3 equals the log base e of 2.5. So x plus 3 simply equals the natural log of 2.5, because again, remember, log base e is natural log. So I'm going to do the natural log of 2.5 over here, and I'm going to get 0.92 approximately. So x plus 3 is equal to 0.92. Subtracting 3 from both sides produces x equals negative 2.08. And there's the final answer. So those are the final two problems of that lesson in solving both exponential and logarithmic equations involving a base value of e.